Hi everyone, welcome back to Faith in Flower. If you're new here, my name is Robin, and today's video will be a bonus video, something different that I haven't done before. I have recently partnered with FabFitFun, and they are a quarterly subscription service filled with beauty products, personal care products for your home, all sorts of really great things that comes 4 times a year seasonally. So today I am going to unbox their new spring box and show you all of the goodies inside. Before we get started, I want to tell you a little bit about FabFitFun in case you guys have never heard of it before. This is something that I've seen a lot on Instagram and on YouTube, and I've been very curious about it, but I have never ordered one before. And so they contacted me to ask if they could send one to me to share with you guys. And I said, of course, it sounds like a lot of fun. And I am not the type of person that normally buys a subscription box, but I do think that it is a great idea for a gift. I think it would be wonderful for birthday, Mother's Day, anniversary, any of those things for a wonderful lady in your life. I think that once you see what's in this box, you're probably going to want one for yourself, but if not, you will know someone that would deserve a great gift like this. Each FabFitFun box has over $200 worth of really amazing products, and the price to you for each season is $49.99. I have a promo code for you. If you use my code Faith in Flower, you will receive this box for $39.99. All of the items in my box were chosen for me by FabFitFun, but you will have the chance to customize your box by choosing a lot of the products for yourself. So go check it out, visit fabfitfun.com, and don't forget to use my promo code to get your $10 off. FabFitFun is dedicated to supporting female entrepreneurs. Many of the items in the box are from female-founded companies. Each box raises funds and awareness for nonprofits, and FabFitFun has raised thousands of dollars for different charities over the years, and this month's charity is Dress for Success. Other membership benefits other than receiving your seasonal box are that you will have access to flash sales 8 times a year. You can receive up to 70% discount on the brands offered at FabFitFun. That's anything from beauty and personal care products to home and kitchen appliances. Now for what's inside. I'm just going to unbox each item, give you a brief description, let you know the price, and also tell you a couple of my impressions. Each season's box comes with a FabFitFun magazine. It has all of the information about the products you'll find inside, some really interesting articles, and more in-depth information about how to use some of the products. There are gift cards or discount cards for Bright Sellers, Bite, and HelloFresh. Right away, I spotted this pretty umbrella. It is by Shoshanna, and the description reads, "Spring showers call for a durable and totally cute umbrella like this one. It retails for $40, and it's so pretty. I love the blue with the yellow flowers, and it's got this adorable ruffle along the edges. It also seems to be very high quality. I like the handle. It's a really sturdy plastic, and it pops open and shuts very easily." Next we have Ciate, London, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, Fierce Flicks Precision Tip Liquid Liner. Easily create dramatic wings and kitten eyes with this pigmented liquid liner, and it retails for $19. I love this type of liquid liner that comes sort of in a felt tip pen form. I find that it's really easy to control, and I'm not really great at doing the whole cat eye look, but I like this type of liner. I like that you can make it thick or thin, and I actually just used up one, so I was really happy to have a new one. I felt like the people at FabFitFun were reading my mind because I also am out of mascara. So I was really happy to receive this one. It's Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Just one coat will give your lashes the volume and length that you desire thanks to the precise bristles. And this retails for $26. I have been using this over the last few days and I really like it. It does a good job of thickening my lashes and giving them a little extra length. Plus, I find that it lasts all day and it's not hard to remove with makeup remover at night. Next item is another beauty item, and it is Winky Luxe Rainbow Lip Balm. Give your lips a just been kissed flush of color with this tinted and pH hybrid balm, and it retails for $18. The compact packaging will be great in a small purse, and these rainbow colors definitely come together to give you a pretty pink color. I'm wearing it in today's video, and I also find it very soothing and moisturizing. Deep Sleep Body Cocoon by This Works is a cream that is supposed to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin. I have been using this before bedtime. It has some amazing essential oils in it that I know are really great for promoting sleep, and I have definitely been enjoying this. This next one I found so intriguing. It is a gravity weighted sleep mask. Catch some quality Z's. This weighted sleep mask blocks light and distributes a light touch across key pressure points. It retails for $39.99. I have really enjoyed this too. It's very velvety. It's got this Velcro closure so you can fasten it around your head very comfortably. There's also a little bit of stretch to it so it's not constricting at all. And it can be unzipped and the weighted insert can be removed so that you can wash it. And also if you choose to use it without the weighted insert. And it is very interesting. If you sleep on your back, I think it is quite comfortable and it does have a very relaxing effect to it. However, I know when I sleep on my side, it kind of comes out of place and is a little bit strange, but I am trying to sleep on my back more, so maybe this will help promote that too. The last two items in my box are home-related items. This is a diamond woven rug by Caravan. Add bohemian flair to your space with this black and white woven rug. It retails for $48. And I have been looking for something that I think this is going to be perfect for. I need a rug for our patio door that leads from our master bedroom. I like the texture, I like the simple pattern and the colors, and I like that it's washable. The last items in my box were these Stone Cold Fox set of tea towels. These chic tea towels feature a white and blue stripe design and are both absorbent and durable. They retail for $38. And I love kitchen towels like this that are natural fibers and thin. They are great for drying dishes, and I know that these are going to be perfect in my kitchen for spring. And there you have it. That's what's inside my spring FabFitFun box. If you guys are interested, make sure you check them out at FabFitFun.com. And don't forget to use my promo code FaithAndFlower to get $10 off your box. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this bonus video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe and activate the bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. I hope you have a great week and I'll see you in the next video.